Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your uh, terrific Thursday um, weather report. And it's not going to be exactly a terrific Thursday weather-wise. We have it's kind of a split system. We have one system kind of like this and another wave like here. And um, I wouldn't, they're merging, they're kind of combined, but they're from the same frontal boundary. Um, and the frontal boundary basically is going like this. It's way back here. And it's a warm front, so it's replacing cooler air, and you can kind of feel the humidity now. It's increased significantly out there. Um, and the dew points are rising, so that's always a signature of an approaching warm front. What's going to be happening today? Let's go to our weather story. And pretty much the NOAA has our area in a slight risk category, which means short-lived and or not widespread, isolated, intense thunderstorms. So this is going to be one of those, where do you live pocket um, type of system. So um, one area might get a severe storm while another area just gets rain. So it's not going to be everywhere. But anything in yellow that you see here pretty much is in that kind of slight chance area. And anybody in the green is in a marginal risk for isolated severe storms. Um, Mostly this morning, what we have right now is just like light showers, and that there's probably going to be like a dry period from between 10, 11 in the morning till about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, where nothing much happens. Maybe some isolated rain showers, but it's still going to be cloudy. Mostly cloudy today. But then as we get into the late afternoon, early evening, that's when we have our chances of more significant severe weather. This is the NAM 3K, which I've been going to this more and more because it really lays down the timeline, and it really lays down 2 to 3 days out. It's really a good model to look at, and it's performed really well since the winter. So this is about 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. You can see some spotty rain showers. You can see the heavier cells over South Jersey. So this is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Oh, this is 5 o'clock. So 6 a.m., 7 a.m. You can kind of see some cells moving up the state from lower Delaware, and then they kind of veer off to the northeast. So let's see, this is 8 a.m. this morning, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. And this is where we get into this dry slot. So it doesn't mean we won't get some, rain, but the chance for severe storms is severely limited. So this is 11 a.m., 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see this approaching line coming from the southwest. 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's the possibility, and some of them jump north. So that's another part of this equation where, you know, the thunderstorms run out of energy to our west across the Chesapeake, and then they come across Chesapeake, and they just peter out. So there's that possibility too. So it looks from this model run and the timing. I like the timing of this. So maybe expect the heavier cells to come through later this evening. And, the, they could be the typical garden variety thunderstorms, or they could, some could be more significant in terms of severe weather and heavier wind gusts. Um, and that's about it. But so just be watchful, be mindful, and that's about it. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios. Have a great Thursday day.